Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about the pivotal role of a systems analyst and how their expertise in systems analysis and design techniques drive successful solutions for business challenges. In today's rapidly evolving business landscape, organizations face numerous challenges that require effective information systems to streamline operations and boost productivity. This is where a systems analyst plays a pivotal role. A systems analyst is an individual who leverages systems analysis and design techniques to address these challenges and ensure that businesses remain competitive and efficient. Let's delve into the various aspects of a systems analyst's role. Gathering user requirements. This is a crucial step where the systems analyst interacts with users, stakeholders, and subject matter experts to understand their needs and expectations from the system. By conducting interviews and workshops, the analyst gains insight into the existing processes and identifies potential improvements or new system requirements. Prioritizing requirements. In many cases, there are numerous requirements for a system, but limited resources and time. The systems analyst must use their social and analytical skills to prioritize these requirements based on their importance and impact on the organization's goals. This ensures that the most critical features are addressed first and the system delivers maximum value. Problem analysis. To propose effective solutions, the systems analyst conducts a thorough analysis of the organization's processes and data. They identify pain points, inefficiencies, and areas for improvement. This analysis involves using various tools and techniques to gain insights into the underlying issues. Specifying system responsibilities. Once the requirements are gathered and analyzed, the systems analyst defines and documents the responsibilities of different components within the system. This includes assigning tasks to programmers, managers, and other team members involved in the development process. Clear and detailed specification documents help ensure that everyone understands their roles and the system's objectives. System design and evaluation. Based on the requirements and specifications, the systems analyst plays a key role in designing the system. This involves creating technical design documents, data models, and flowcharts to guide the development team. After the system is built, the analyst evaluates its performance against the specified requirements, ensuring that it meets the organization's needs and functions as intended. Staying current with technological advancements. In today's rapidly evolving technological landscape, it's essential for systems analysts to keep themselves updated with the latest advancements and trends. By staying informed about new technologies and best practices, they can propose innovative solutions and modernize existing systems, leading to higher productivity and efficiency. Now let's explore the essential skills that empower systems analysts to excel in their dynamic roles. Communication. Systems analysts work with diverse stakeholders, including end users, managers, developers, and other team members. Effective communication skills enable them to convey complex technical information in a clear and understandable manner, facilitating collaboration and ensuring that everyone is on the same page. Critical thinking. Systems analysts face complex challenges, and critical thinking is vital for problem solving. They need to analyze information, identify patterns, and devise creative solutions to overcome obstacles and optimize system design. Business analytics. Understanding the organization's business processes and objectives is essential for a systems analyst. By combining their knowledge of information technology with business acumen, they can develop solutions that align with the company's strategic goals and provide tangible benefits. Technical analysis. While systems analysts may not need to be expert programmers, having a solid grasp of technical concepts, programming languages, IT infrastructure, and database administration helps them communicate effectively with the development team and ensure the feasibility of their proposal. Management. Systems analysts often work as part of a larger project team and must possess good managerial skills to coordinate resources, set priorities, and ensure that the project progresses smoothly. Managing time, budgets, and human resources efficiently is crucial for successful project implementation. Together, these aspects of a systems analyst role and their diverse skill set form the foundation of successful project implementation and continuous organizational growth. In conclusion, the systems analysts play a vital role in implementing information systems, addressing business challenges, and improving productivity. Their expertise in gathering requirements, guiding design, and staying current with technology drive successful solutions. Possessing essential skills like communication and critical thinking, they excel in managing projects and fostering collaboration. The systems analyst is an indispensable asset shaping organization future and inspiring innovation in the tech landscape. Thank you for joining this presentation on the crucial technical role of the systems analysts.